Click on the link below to get price. The Noseless Bike Seat Cushion is a game changer for anyone who spends hours cycling, whether for commuting, exercising, or leisurely rides. Designed with both men and women in mind, this cushion offers extra padding that significantly enhances comfort during long rides. Unlike traditional bike seats, which can lead to discomfort and numbness, this noseless design promotes better weight distribution and reduces pressure on sensitive areas. One of the standout features of this cushion is its ergonomic shape. It fits a variety of bikes and is easy to install, allowing riders to quickly upgrade their existing seat without the need for tools. The extra padding is not only plush but also made from high-density foam that retains its shape over time. Users often rave about the immediate relief they feel after switching to this cushion, as it minimizes the jarring impacts that typically come with riding on bumpy surfaces. Another remarkable aspect is its breathable surface. The fabric helps to keep you cool and dry, even during intense riding sessions. This is particularly beneficial during warm weather when other materials might cause heat buildup and discomfort. Additionally, the cushion is lightweight, making it a practical choice for those who might worry about adding unnecessary weight to their bike. In terms of aesthetics, the Noseless Bike Seat Cushion comes in various colors, allowing cyclists to choose one that matches their bike or personal style. Its sleek design does not compromise functionality, making it visually appealing while serving its primary purpose. However, it's important to note that while the cushion significantly improves comfort, it may take some time to adjust if you're transitioning from a traditional bike seat. Overall, the Noseless Bike Seat Cushion is a must-have for cyclists seeking enhanced comfort, improved posture, and a more enjoyable riding experience. It proves to be an investment worth making for both casual and avid cyclists alike.